Let's make crochet hair accessories. Okay, so the first thing we need is a ball of yarn, our crochet hook, scissors, lace for some little cute accessory bits, and a pin and a glue gun. We're going to do a slip knot. I'm not going to show you how to do that because I showed you in the first video. Go check that out. And we're going to go straight into a chain. This is a foundation chain. This chain is literally same steps over and over again. Loop through, pull through. Loop through, pull through. Yeah, see, loop, pull. Loop, pull. Some people like to go up in crochet hook size to make this a little easier for them. I'm using the same crochet hook throughout my whole project. Okay, we're gonna do 19 stitches and loop over. See that loop over? Now we're gonna go into the second to last stitch. Stick it in, stick our hook in. We're gonna loop over again, pull through, but only through that one, only the first time. Then we loop over again, pull through all 3 stitches. So let's see it one more time. Loop over, go down into the stitch. And I'm just showing you a close up. Loop over, pull through just the 1 stitch that's in the chain, and then loop over one more time and pull through all 3 stitches together. Now this is just me speeding through the first and the second row. Once I finish the second row, I'm going to stop it from speeding up, and I'm going to show you how you turn your work. So what you actually need to do is chain 1, flip the work in your hand, and then you can go straight into the half double crochet. I'm going to show you one more time. Don't do that one. Do that one. Yes. There you go. And there you go. Now we're going to do this. We're going to do 8 rows up of half double crochet hooks. And then we're going to get to the fun part. So now we are ending the project, which you ended with crow 1 chain and then snipping it with a little bit of extra left and then pulling it through that 1 chain. And that'll give you a tight knot. And then we are also going to weave our ends on both sides. Now the rest of this is pretty explanatory. You just use diffusion glue to fuse down the lace bits that you cut to size. From there, you are going to take a string and tighten the scrunchie. Tighten it so it like scrunches in the middle, which is real cute. And then we're going to hot glue it onto the clip, which is also very cute. If you enjoy, like and follow for more. And we see what we make on day 3.